Hey there, ever wondered how your body fights off viruses? Let's dive into the epic battle happening inside you right now. So a virus sneaks into your body, maybe through a sneeze. It finds a cell and tricks its way inside. Sneaky, right? But your cells are smart. They recognize the intruder and break it apart with enzymes. Next, your cell sends out an SOS, displaying a piece of the virus on its surface to warn neighbors. This is where things get serious. Neighboring cells get the signal and start producing antibodies. Inside the cell nucleus, the DNA holds the blueprints for making these antibodies. The DNA creates a messenger RNA, or mRNA, that carries these instructions and travels to a ribosome. At the ribosome, the mRNA is read and amino acids are linked together to create the antibody protein. Think of ribosomes as little factories scattered along the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER. Once the antibody is made, it gets packaged in the Golgi apparatus for delivery. The antibody is enclosed in a bubble which moves to the cell's edge, fusing with the membrane and releasing the antibody outside. The antibody then tracks down and neutralizes the virus. But the cleanup isn't over yet. Lysosomes step in to recycle any leftover virus fragments, and powering all these processes are the mitochondria, turning food and oxygen into ATP, the cell's energy currency. Remember, your body is made up of around 37 trillion cells, all working together to keep you healthy. Isn't that amazing? So the next time you feel under the weather, just know there's a microscopic battle going on inside you, and your cells are the true heroes. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay healthy.